Established about a decade ago and headquartered in Singapore, Assetz Property Group is one of the fastest growing real estate companies in Asia. The company's primary focus is real estate development and investment, with secondary focus on infrastructure in the Asian region. Assetz has been developing homes, office spaces, commercial and retail for years now. And Bangalore is the hub of its real estate journey. Vrindavan Tech Village, 106-acre commercial IT socio-economic zone at Marthahalli. Global Technology Park, 14.5-acre, a state-of-the-art IT park. 27 Park Avenue, a super luxury condominium at HSR layout. Stratos, exclusive boutique residences only for the select few in the heart of the city. East Point, a 1 million square feet residential community at Outer Ring Road, Marthahalli. Lumos, an upmarket residential development at Yashwantpur. Daintree, a lifestyle premium residential development in Whitefield. Clover Greens, a gold villa community at Shahjahanpur. All these projects demonstrate Assetz' passion for unique design in creating benchmark developments. And here is Assetz Marq, the latest venture of the real estate champion.
Assetz is focused on delivering products for the aspiring new India. We're very excited to be a part of it. And as a company and as a group of professionals, we desire nothing more than to play a key role in providing products that are full, that provide individual families the real answer, a genuine answer for their housing needs, and beyond that, really provide a lifestyle that is coupled with international experience and domestic sensitivity.
We decided that rather than just create all of the buildings at the same height, but some were tall and some were low. In organising the buildings with different heights, the spaces in between the buildings become more interesting. They become more sustainable. They become more environmentally pleasing than everything the same height. We then realised we needed to maximise the amount of open space that we can provide in the project. Open space for people to walk or run, or children to play, or for people to sit, or for people to just enjoy being outside.
This unique residential development is strategically located in Kanamangala Whitefield on the Hoscourt Whitefield main road. Marq is at a short distance to Old Madras Road, an easy drive to the city centre as well as International Airport, and very close to ITPL, the technology hub of Bangalore, and Hoscourt, the automobile hub. Assetz Marq is a unique mixed-use residential development providing the best living standards and lifestyle at the best prices. At Marq, literally everything is within reach. Offices, restaurants, shops, parks, and much more. In-campus school to take care of the educational needs of your little geniuses. With plenty of outdoor leisure spaces and a fabulous clubhouse in each of them, the 4 self-sufficient neighborhoods of Marq have been thought through and through here, all to ensure that you live your life to the fullest. With helipads on their top, towers with breathtaking elevations are constructed in a way everybody's privacy is preserved. fully equipped clubhouses sit amidst breathtaking views of the courtyards. The state-of-the-art building designs adds to the architectural richness and class. Unwind with family and friends after a hectic day at work and indulge in all the leisure activities you could crave for at our fascinating clubhouses. One for every neighborhood. Admirable landscapes welcome you to the walk of your dream, into freshness unperturbed. As you enter the double-height lift lobby through landscaped courtyard, you'll experience beauty unexplored. Life gets safer when it gets smarter. Marq provides Bangalore's first fibre-to-the-home technology master-planned community. For all our hard work and long Mondays, we deserve a little laziness. That's exactly why homes at Marq come fitted with FTTH technology. Now check your utility bills, manage power usage and house chores at your fingertips. Relish your rest time with the best comfort you could avail. Imagine, pay bills, reserve tables, organize carpools, video conference with doctors and more. Kids' bedroom. Feel secure at the click of a button. You know exactly where your children are. Enter a world of fervour and celebration. Double-height badminton court overlooking central landscaped courtyard. For community events, this will double up as a party hall. Warm up yourself for a healthy day ahead in a fully equipped gym with a view of the swimming pool. A double-height party hall for the special occasions. Live the ecstasy and feel the breeze alongside the swimming pool. Enjoy a vibrant social life at food streets of retail town centre. Enjoy a lifestyle seldom witnessed in the city. Give your life a salute of celebration. Give it the Assetz.